Country people, we the time we not plenty. We the glad for say we don't meet up before say make we knock story inside our Equinox story house. We the come inside Douala. Country people, we had the glad plenty because story day are plenty for we go begin the chakara for this afternoon. We na sabi say with you today. Now number 3 day for inside the month where we did now September month, and Cameroon people them they open their eye, they shine eye well. Sabi say wait just yesterday minister when Paul Atanganji he write big book which will be a thing we write for a book. He write book send them for governor will be Oga Kwata for inside West region. He write book to send them for Oga Kwata for that side for littoral region and the one for central region. He ask them say with Palava say national worker for peace where Maurice come to and the people them they talk say make country come out all for inside 22 day for inside the month worker for say with make government for your own day come out for that chair make the different people she don't for day because them they see their own say they so them never do Cameroon better. That worker according to Minister Tanganji no go for take place. Now why that it talk for governor for West region, governor for littoral and the one for central region say with sabi say for in a place where MNC people them plenty pass. Men man you know come after can tell me say they so them taking up by surprise or you know be sabi say this thing it could happen for his side. Now why that it talk for them make them shine their eye well. Strong book when I sabi say with time where governor for central region to be move book begin talk say you know want see any man will come up for outside man or woman big or small on that day say they so he won't do anything man he won't do anything for outside if Moka act authorized from them first. Now governor for central region he want talk so one for inside littoral he do so and for that side for West region we hear say with Oga Awa Fonka Augustine he say serve those sign book we talk say with person no get to come out of his house on that day for say he won't do anything whether na worker for peace or na worker for violence he no want for see any worker on top on that day. When I sabi say with inside that side for Northwest no be Oga Adolf Dele Lafrigo na governor sign that book but na inside Mezam division where that book is come out na Oga Emile Mo where na SGO for inside Mezam division sign that book. I just want to tell when I say with even our government for Cameroon he try for say with made that worker he no go as they go Maurice come to that so he dey continue for the talk with all different kind people them he don't go talk with stand up for Cameroon when na Edith Kawala them where they be talk say with na them Maurice come to na one food for that palava for national worker them come out go talk for people them for PAP party where them two talk say with them no go left themselves for back for Sikada palava for worker me serve na STF where Nijon Fundi talk also with them no go dey for that day but them two no go dey for palava for regional election in Cameroon as how we friend man they were talk say na affair as we did also look that palava for the comeback but when I sabi say with a long for palava accident we don't get up gate people then wake up the talk say they so you don't quaram na like talk that long never quaram how we get accident inside Ngodi he dey fine inside Douala he dey fine we hear to say Minister Kecha protest way to begin accident he is kid he don't stand fine he don't turn up for all but you know the day he again mais palava the way we don't the year inside country we will begin the comeback for them na inside Torino so we go show una how ground he don't come out fall for down he want bring all house way them be build for that side for Dizange now for Sanaga Maritime for littoral region for inside Cameroon we go dey inside Torino talk palava too for Tipetu where they know they bring her inside country even put her for moto where Kitu man in office am Cameroon man in sense he bad pass. Strong talk where we get them today. Come on now for DJ Evo, the man with the Nak Mutumbu for that side for Daido for Douala 1 subdivision. What DJ Evo tell we? He tell we say with the fowl, he they wash with the sun. Dog fowl, they wash with the water. But fowl, they that so clean, he pass dog fowl. Yes. He say with the now big part of. I didn't mean for big part of. The man already they put me an image for our screen. And also be the one country people. Big part of we will get them today. And say with the fowl, he dey wash with the sun. dog fowl e dey wash with water, the fowl e dey that so clean e dey pass dog fowl. Na big part of that, so we dey thank DJ Evo for that side wey don give with the one. We dey that so thank one number one strong man too wey e dey look out and machine them inside Equinox wey na Tata God love. We dey thank all plenty other technicians the way they dey, even at the last channel the way they dey try for say me we begin dey look till them. Now so we dey salute all country people the way they dey for America, for Europe, for Asia, inside Africa, because we not go to call country again, so that when I go call a couple after they say what you know they ever remember we time we did not to inside Equinox, but we did with the winner. Now we enter inside to begin the look na palava for illicit fuel, we will go to look illicit fuel na waiting. Now so big man in the talk for big book. If me say what na petrol them not talk say what the petrol no give for day for country. We say commode, they say the petrol so commode na Nigeria. When I see moto. Now, if you see the motor, so you see that some fine motor, but they don't turn chair for motor. Now the tank for put petrol. Them cash the motor so now for side for Douala here. Now the man that will get the motor, he be the driver. A man he talk to he come on now for that side. He say the petrol come on for side for southwest. He too the talk say wait now on sense for business that way don't they do. You don't change the motor with a see chair how we fine. See chair for motor they look fine so you see chair the say they so the one has some big man way he chair the clean way he family they clean but except say that chair so not be a chair. It don't make up for under na way na petrol they pack for under so this chair so it carry 500 liters for petrol when I fit imagine this chair so that means say wait na petrol where them talk say wait na bad petrol for inside northwest and southwest we will be there for them with the call and say and forget them say the petrol they come out for side for Nigeria so it come inside Cameroon na through Limbe for side for Fako division na thing that way they talk. Now they go take am for their way. Them sabi say wetin they don't talk say that petrol not supposed to be inter-country. They not support for sell am. They don't get to the sell that petrol so inside country. They go take am. They not fit carry inside container because near them there for road. They go hold them cash the petrol. Now so them get sense. They look all kind of sense for go carry that petrol. They bring them inside Douala, take them to go other side for inside a country. How we wanna see them so now why that way he hold one then he don't go carry. We know whether na who we don't know whether na who go take the thing 10 near them. You want they pass inside that side for Bekoko, them cash it for them. Now that they put that thing where they put them so they just check open chase them also petrol they command they measure so take that 500 liters. Now when I see I'm so na littoral regional delegate for Palava for mines, industries and technological development. Yes, when I sabi say wetin now them get to do with Palava for the petrol so they say they know they sleep say them don't hear say petrol plenty where it there for country where you not get to the inter country. According to man where them cash it with them, he talk say with it come on inside Nigeria. So the man too they say them don't hear it already don't enter them say it is so petrol they come on inside country they come on inside Nigeria they enter inside country where you not supposed to they enter. When I sabi say where you work inside Douala me I not go call me carry for the way I don't see that kind of petrol so that many people they not give me bad heart say it is so I they go sell them. Myself people they talk say with it bad day for country now that own way that way they don't see say it is so they fit chop but only say Kitu people them and government people them they don't talk say wetin any man wey dey cash out with that petrol they go take him motor take the mantle then go see if the petrol fine they use am or they sell am if the petrol not fine they burn am or they pour am cash him motor whether they dey do wetin with am we no sabi because they talk say the man they go take him motor go give am for governor for littoral region while I and while here e dey anything we don't hear for that side then we will come back begin the Toure we now inside Toure house. We go leave that chapter internal Palava Nak Kanda. We sabi say we be showing that thing yesterday, but we did also show today for say wetin for say me una know because development it don't be. We na sabi say wetin yesterday we be the tell una show una the man where they so each one chop soya for some small pikin wey small sute never been reach 2 years. So the passy on say wetin na for that pikin also ya he go go a pikin the yamo yes say this one on top that pikin he go go a pikin the grind am. Big parcel shame cash na why that papa for that pikin he hold it toto say wetin ma hold that big thing wey you wan put am for inside my pikin he last na the papa that how he hold it so that hand wey hold am so he hold na that man na old man so he take the pikin when I go see the pikin na small pikin so thing wey dey na say wetin the family dey now they don enter inside wonderful domo when I see the pikin wey una dey see am so that power wey dey for down wey dey hold it toto he take am put am inside the pikin the hold am so he take am put am inside the pikin he dey put am if he put na finger open am for say make he put am inside take am inside for some toilet dem catch it they dey beat it fine. But except so, they want BT say they want kill him because they know say that thing they always do. He come out run. But family family for the partner and the family for pikin wey dey don do am. Na dem now enter inside domo for new bed. We hear say domo baby na wonderful one. Whether the family be the different we no sabi, but na just say wetin the thing wey we hear na say the family don enter inside domo, but the man wey don do the thing, he don take Tokyo, he don go, they no side way, he don go. But the family, they don fight sute dey, so some people dem they get caught. We see there for that matter. We could come back for that matter. Now so we go come out inside Douala international for Nkong it dey na serve for Mungu for Littoral. Wetin happen for Nkong na some thief man wey he enter he waka kunya. Now enter for bar for place where people dem dey sell dey drink mimbo. If you enter that time where you know say people they not dey na for sharp morning time yesterday where he come waka kunya. Enter for that bar, begin the move money, begin the move mimbo for day. Myself, how the writer say na 99 day for thief man, and 1 day for person where you get kako. 1 day for that person will be na yesterday where they hold the thief man, how they hold him. They beat him fine, beat and so they leave it cut for skin. Myself so they so one die na die. He get na lucky say some people they can't help me carry go hospital for that side for concern. I always sleep so they want say hey, my body people they talk say die. If you want go thief so you know sabi say they so when they thief they knock you, they don't knock you fine. Say the brother who talk, the brother talk say wetin the boy he don't pass them power. The boy no one work. When they talk say wetin work day, the man could wake up for morning time. He go just the tonton for quarter. When man put the thing, he take long hand, take the thing, transfer the kako, put them for different place. Transfer money, put them. Now he work that. He talk say he all work now for the transfer kako. Myself say na balok day, the whole either day, they knock him so he one die. Now so he dey for hospital. We don't know whether family could even come for the family. But they tell we on say they don't wash hand for that boy. If not say they not be get sorry hand. Now them family itself, they for don't beat the boy, kill him. But now so he don't come up with for different side. Now only he head. That mean he shoulder could carry his head. When I hear thing where their brother he tell we.
Me I no be gay so we had the carry me for them because me say need limit please. Because me I put any catch take I go I will do it. Say I see for say was sorry I run and I want every man say me na me top set.
Yes, because he get this sorry hard. Now he say for don't take the hand kill that boy. Because that boy don't show you paper for palava for transfer ikako. Anything we put on for us, the boy they transfer, put on for different place. Put on for place where you know even can show you after say this so I don't transfer the thing put on for the that means say thief. Now the boy name for that side for Mbanga. Yes, I talk to Mbanga now. Inside Mungu for Littoral region inside country here. Now we could stay inside Mungu with the talk na palava for tomato. We na sabi say wetin tomatoes where it belong the be plenty. For some month where we come out for this, so the month where we don't pass inside country, whether you go now for side for west region, whether you go now for side for Littoral, or you go now inside northwest and southwest, tomato be na one way where you pass with the 100 say one buy tomato, they take na big bag them for tomato give you because say with the tomato be plenty pass mark. Now so tomato don't finish for market, you dey go now with 1,000 for market. You dey bring tomato, if you not even take your massa, go tell you say this so tomato you don't dey for market. One tomato for 1,000, you know, could make una sauce way this so una cook rice, masako even the vex na vex. So palava na tomato for market, tomato you know there for market at all. That means say wetin, you don't dey na pass. Thing where people they surprise and say wetin. Just now so we come out for one way tomato be there na for all side. Where you dey pass, all man they beg you now with tomato say wetin, give 1,000, give 1,500, will give una basket for tomato. Thing you don't just turn so you never even make 2 months. Palava na tomato where they cry where you go for market. Na small tomato that they put them. They ask you na say me you pay 300 and the money save the tomato you know the be. Thing where country people they vex inside Cameroon say wetin their heart is the bitter and their belly they bite. Now for say wetin they say na government if for the palava where tomato is the be na so it come out it not be. Why them talk say na government the palava they say wetin some place they be where them don't build them inside country where. Time where tomato dey plenty, they could go take and put them for that machine them grind and they grind them, they reserve them. That means say they talk say na tomato transformation plan them. Some one be there for inside Mungo division, some one be there for that side for noon for west region inside our country. May only say what will be the go on for day, you just will come can't stop. They never ever tell man say they so work don't stop now because of this, work don't stop now because of this. Now so when tomato dey plenty, all man dey carry, man dey think say me put am for a fridge, man dey think say me take and go put am for play when na water dey pass. Men sef how una sabi so tomato e dey in a like ajebota so anytime when you put it, if you put it plenty dey them, e go just kwara in a kwara. That means say e dey die in a die one time. So now why that e make an answer what tomato will be there, even how people dey be try say they want preserve or conserve the tomato for their own place where they want am for put am tomato e don finish. Even for us, you know the greed dey again for farm. You know they una sabi say e dey come na for season. So they dey ask you wetin why una leave am the factory for tomato for the one for mungo e no dey function again, e no dey work again. One e be say the one for noon e no dey work. Una see now how wey people dey cry tomato e no dey be. Cry too dey for that side for Dizange na for side for Senegal Maritime inside littoral region. Why e be say people dem for that side for Dizange dey cry? Dem dey cry na say that means say wetin dey cry na thing wey ground e don just comot so hoop for some side. That means say wetin ground for big road una sabi una see am. That means so that big road how wey the man dey climb, so road wey dey go for that side big road wey all man dey pass wey na motor dey pass e dey na only for corner. The place wey una see am so how wey dey na poto so house dey na only on top. Now they talk say wetin that ground e never start fall na today. They don see the ground say the ground dey fall. They talk say wetin make the people dem wey dey there for there like big people dem make dem give money so that they go buy that kind of bamboo stick dem put am for there so that e go block wey ground wan fall e go hold am. Dem no give money, man no hear dem. One talk for the people they talk say they don cry for chief dem, they no hear dem. They cry for municipal authority dem, man no gree hear dem. Now so ground no start dey fall. E don fall now so lucky say e no take man go, but man wey the ground be wan fall so e wan knacky. Na so man wey be there for some corner some water wey dey na just for down e dey with a canoe for there. Na so you dey think don fall e knack with a canoe yes for inside the water, so e knacky with a canoe fine. E run around. If you be na man wey no know canoe fine, na so we for the talk now say make go salute Papa God tell you say we dey na for road dey come, but now so e go e. So then they talk say plenty house when I see how the house they dey, even how they were so they did that on top that place and the ground that's so they fall the camp, you fall the camp. So now fear that way people them for that side they fear. They talk say wetin back up on knack tori for here so that Cameroon people they go know say they so them don't talk for people them where na them get power for that side say nothing this way una get to do them no dey gree do thing where they wait for the need for two. Una sabi say this kind thing if it don't happen for inside Bafoussam for West region for Cameroon where we keep people there plenty. Then they talk say make governor or people that way them get power, make they don't just wait. Na time where you don't keep people them carry people that think them go with them plenty where they go come on now take mattress say they want go give help people them. They go come on now go they talk say okay una Asha for that time Asha you no go help because say if the key man Asha you no go bring back that man. Now for thing wey e dey concern road e no only be na for Senegal Maritime una sabi say wetin people dem for that side too for Kribi for Ocean Division for South region for Cameroon they dey cry too for palava for say wetin dem their road na Longmok. Una take go chop Christmas for palava Wowo road for Campo Kribi Akak for South region inside Cameroon. Wetin dey happen for say me you go for that side you dey just so pray na say wetin Papa God take we more go, take we more come back, all day na for your hand. Because if you know they pray, you know even sabi whether una will go reach for that side. Because when motor they fake climb so, motor they go away the one they go so you go reach for some side. That means say what only roadway will walk but they take motor they come down, motor they come na so fear. And if they come with Papa go not there for una hand or you not there for una head or Papa go eye, you know they on top winner. They feel the tongue na bye for winner. When I see say big motor, they call the one say na 4-wheel drive motor them. Even if na the big people that motor, even the one. That means say what people that way they be there inside the motor, they come on Yaoundé, they want go this side, they carry the another big red motor. They talk that on say wetin, them bad na bad. That means say wetin, they get motor where that road you not go fit hold them. But they come on Yaoundé, they want go reach for that place. They reach na the next day. Only stay for road. That means when you come on Yaoundé for go reach for Kribi no be na matter. But come on na Kribi for go Campo, come on for Campo for go Akak. Now for day where you go know say Cameroon na kind. Thing where we walk past na say wetin big company there when I see and so where they go cut wood for that side, how some big motor you don't hang for that side. Now them they finish for the road. But for say may they fix am, they know they agree 1 year that one. Let me say for them, now for say make that big motor that I wanna see, I'm so make you make a so pass. Where I don't dig hole now, when machine man not fit enter body, that one not be na their palava. Then the people them for village, when I sabi say what it will be the go now for attack for that village. Where when I be here say this so some mommy if you come out in the tell SJ say what for now me I get them. You will not be my chef. SJ the tell you say I be your chef. No, not be na SJ, be na Joe. Couple no they make mistake so it be na Joe. So now for that village, people they vex say what they exploit that village. That means say what fine thing the way they die for that village when a timber them people they can't move them how they move them so but they leave that village for underdevelopment. That means say what fine thing no dey for that village, fine road no dey for that village, fine school no dey for that village, but fine thing wey dey for that village when that big wood the way when I see them big timber them the company they carry go with and they don't leave them any small thing for day. Now no comment for the palava for road. Yes, before we enter for thing we in come not talk, maybe we take when I enter for side for Bamenda. Yes, we get two things for Bamenda where we get for take when I sabi say weti tori for Bamenda, you know they finish. Yes, thing where when I see am so now killing for Bamenda way they be kill am. I be show when I did thing yesterday they tell when I say weti they so they be killing people then for a weekend they be kill them for that side for former movements. That mean say the motor we see so people they don't come for the talk say weti we go cry sute we go finish for the cry now which day. All day with the cry, all day for Bamenda with the cry. We hear say they don't shoot man for it, they don't shoot man. They can't meet up the motorway they so they don't shoot driver, kill them, shoot people the way carry for a back, kill them. And that's just so they never yet know who kill them. But when I say what you don't the years they would say they so they don't identify the driver. Now me say now boy where they so come for that side from Kakar, yes, and Kakar for that side from do where be the day in a driver inside Bamenda. Because sometimes they kill them so people they go for Facebook and for WhatsApp some man they write they on say oh these people be na who oh these people they be they do this thing oh them be na but the boy na boy where he be driver where all man know he inside Bamenda where be they run in a motor he carry people they go for Bali the one they come back they finish them whether na who finish them but we don't hear say they so that they see open their eyes shine that means say people them way they get for dig certain no truth even Tory people them they open their eye they sharpen and find for know who then do the one but plenty other or that plenty that killing them they that's so key people them for that side them so plenty of the killing them when they talk say they so they go open investigate for know who do the one at the time them country people them know the year which side they investigate it don't finish or which side they investigate it don't go reach with the that's so with the tongue say wait when they open them make them come back there country people them so that they know if bad where your brother don't die they not even home man where don't kill you they just live every day they say that they see say your brother if it been a fly or your sister if it been an animal that thing so we not go live and me pass so me say inside Bamenda when I sabi say wait Bamenda they inside a palava for clean yes clean operation Bamenda clean yes now so they talk for big book but now so also it just look na dry how when I see am so man they agree common but now so some other thing dey Bamenda whether ma talk and say good news anywhere na good news because no be na bad news all time small other market they don dey open lady one from Tarikun that mean say if you dey for outside for Bamenda too bad day you wey dey so you don she don inside hasute your belle e don dey hot na hot if you even try just do kunya nyati enter for that side for Tarikun market you even see you go see something for there for even buy am because say wetin if people dem she don for inside house wey they no dey chop bad go dey them inside belle so it is so when I sabi how we chop it be important but same thing wey mbusela see inside market for Tarikun yes na the market that I never forget that say wetin the chop wey they sell am so na only for outside man no get hard for inside the market na only for dormop for market so wey they don try for the sell only small thing them but we wan tell una say wetin that tori wey be here say dey so they don rape some woman for side for Bamenda for inside a house when they don't come the people that they wear clothes they say be na Kitu people or be na Kitu or not be Kitu people them take that woman chop soya wey small pikin dey for hand small pikin dey look dey cry so we no go leave that palava until we know how way that palava it don't end for that side for Bamenda. We get our woman way there for that side. Now they give we Tori and we go that so begin the knock am inside a Tori house for here. When I service with thing where we see am, thing where we hear, na thing where we detect una. Now so palava for march, peaceful march inside country. You know the limb governor they sleep. Even how when governor they talk say you know what happen. Or any man we want to march, may he must ask we say make we come out. If we agree, the person come out. If we not agree, make person not strong head come out because if he come out, nangata the way tea. Me say so na talk where government they talk where governor they all they talk. If you want to see that big boy governor they don't write them all they talk na so. But self say even how they talk so they don't the end. They that's so talk again. Now me say maybe some fear they them. I say maybe some fear they them. Because say what they never just talk so end for day. Today you say the man don't come out. The one so na big book way na minister for talk inside country. They call him say minister for communication. He said don't right. He say what governor for country. He don't hear say some people them. They ask people for country say may they come out for outside march. Talk say may the governor leave place. Or they don't talk for big boss say what democratic institution them may they be destabilized. Yes, that's what they don't talk. That means say what the governor them and other people the way they don't vote them when the people of country don't put them for they make them lost. Now book that way put them. That means say if they talk you on say what say sabi say anything where they do for inside country here where governor you never talk say me you do anything where they do where they dey say for your mind or for back your head you think na say they so you want shaking governor make and say make they come up for side where them they shit down sabi say what them go follow you for some law when them don't put that inside country for December 2014. The law where they talk for that side, that means say what the law it don't give governor power for say make them take any man hold his neck any man where he do anything where them see and say they so now ask for terrorism now big book that yes he they talk for day but now people them two way that they talk they didn't say what fake palava for come up for march when a march where they talk say na waka when a peaceful one na democratically their rights na so they talk for big book say what na one of the people think them way for democracy it get for be now so na palava for big book and big book we will know na small book we go she don't contribute people then begin the check sense the open our eye they see thing where we don't see am we go talk thing where we don't hear am we go talk but for now so I go leave una talk say una hold am tight sabi capo inside Douala.